We're going to continue with David's electrical muscle stimulation and some heat therapy. David, go ahead and lay on your back, please. Lift up your knees. You're going to control the heat. Press and hold the button. When it's warm enough, let go. When you want more heat, press and hold it again. Tell me when you feel the stimulation. Is that good? That's good. And I'm going to control the roller. Let me know when it's high enough for you. Alrighty. So here we're doing some heat therapy to help David's muscles relax, electrical muscle stimulation to help with some muscle spasm and pain relief, and the intersegmental traction or the roller table, where there's a rolling mechanism under here to help put more motion in all of his spinal joints.